Hi, in this video, I would tell you 5 reasons why you should outsource your tax and regulatory compliances to taxmantra.com. You should stay hassle-free, you should grow your business. TaxMantra will take care of all your compliances so that you are under compliance under all the laws which are required in India and you just focus on your business growth. TaxMantra.com is your one-stop shop for all your tax and regulatory compliances, be it direct tax, indirect tax, corporate law, investment-related activities, payroll services. We provide pan-India services under one roof. So probably TaxMantra would be the only tax and law firm which would have all these services under one roof across India. When you outsource your tax and regulatory compliances to TaxMantra, it's guaranteed that you would save more than 60 to 65% of your compliance cost vis-a-vis when you do everything in-house, because when you do in-house you need to hire people for different resources for different set of activities, and then you also need to hire a CA firm to do the annual filings. So if you do everything through us, through our network firm, then you will at least save 65% of your compliances, being a private limited company. Also, our processes are very transparent and there are no hidden costs, and pricing is very flexible. It is customized. If you want to pay it on a monthly basis, quarterly basis, you can pay off, and the prices are very reasonable. The idea is that you as a business, you should save costs and you should get quality work from taxmantra.com. In taxmantra.com, we have this concept of spoke, that is single point of contact for all your services. For example, if you become a retainer client for tax and regulatory compliances, you would have someone as a spoke or a manager on your project. Now, it would be his responsibility to coordinate internally amongst TaxMantra different team and then get your work done. For you, there will be single point of contact and you don't have to get into hassle of coordinating and talking to too many people in different teams. For us, you have a single contact point for you, and you can coordinate with him for all your requirements. This is a big plus for us, because we found this as a big pain point for clients, wherein instead of talking to someone, a single person, they need to coordinate with different people for different kind of assignment under one service provider. The group has been rendering services since the year 1983, both through traditional and online platform. In the last 30 years, we have helped more than 5,000 businesses to start, more than 8,000 businesses in their daily tax and regulatory compliances. We have also been part of more than $100 million investment success stories in India. We are helping marquee clients like SBI, Coal India, IndusNet Technologies and Apollo in our journey so far. Today, TaxMantra.com is rendering services in India, US and Singapore through our more than 120 in-house professionals, and we have tied up with more than 150 business associates. One of the example which I want to state here is that in one of our company registrations, wherein the two shareholders were from Ukraine and Australia, and the company we registered was in Gujarat. So it was like coordinating with our business associates in Ukraine, Australia, Gujarat, and we incorporated that company in straight 21 days.